Searching for custom cables, wire harnesses, and electromechanical assemblies, all made in the USA?
We build what you need when you need it in the world of cable assemblies and electromechanical assemblies. Our customer's pain point is typically quality, sometimes delivery, but mostly quality. And we scratch that itch with our totally immersed quality department.
JEM matches good people to technology for superior custom wire solutions.
So we're very dedicated to building a better product and keeping our customers satisfied.
You just found your wire, cable, harness, and assembly gurus.
Do you need one of these? Hi, I'm John from JEM Electronics. We specialize in custom cable assemblies and electromechanical assemblies. We ship from Beijing to LA to New York to Amsterdam and everywhere in between. So normally a customer will come in with a drawing and we'll review it, we'll check it for accuracy, check it. One of the quality checks we do right away is making sure all the parts fit together. And then we quote you. So you don't have a drawing? No problem. We'll just create one for you. You might need a larger resistor in your product to tamp down your power. We can put it together for you. As far as the customers are concerned, wire and cable is not a common product for their engineering staff. So we fill in the void. In fact, we have a guide that's online that will take you step by step through the process, and you won't have a problem figuring it out. And any questions you have, you can always reach out to us. So if you're looking for flat cables, we do flat cables on steroids. So we have them shielded, they're jacketed. You can see inside the gray flat cable, but this is also a tight pitch, and we build thousands of them. So we're the guy to go to. We've done it all. We've done high production, we've done one. We usually do prototypes for customers, and we build up to their production runs. We do that frequently, so we can handle it all. We have several customers who have been buying product from us for decades. Today they talk a lot about AI and robots. And robots move, and you need a chain to make that move. But if you move things constantly, they wear inside. But if you have the chain, it protects them from bending at sharp angles, so they last forever. So the wire itself is in the gel, which prevents the friction, and it prevents it from bending sharply. So for any of your wire and custom assembly needs, think of JEM.
JEM goes beyond cable assembly. They offer ideas and possibilities so you can bring your thoughts to reality.